Hello again, Year 2. I hope you're well. I hope you're happy. I hope you're enjoying this weather. It's a bit rainy today. So you probably already know by now that next year I am going to be teaching you again. Yay! I am thrilled. Not sure whether you are, but I am thrilled that we're going to work together again in Year 3. I think it will make it much easier for when we come back to school. I already know what you're like. You already know what I'm like. I think it will make our transition into Year 3 much easier. So, what do I need to tell you? We won't be in yellow class anymore, we'll be in green class. You'll be in Year 3. It's not Key Stage 1 anymore. Foundation Stage Year 1 and Year 2 are in Key Stage 1. And then when you go to Year 3, you move up into Key Stage 2, which means that we'll be working quite closely with the children in Year 4 and 5 and 6. Okay. We will not be having Miss Lockwood for a TA anymore. She'll still be in school, so you'll still get to see her. But from September, it'll be me teaching you and Miss Grishty as our teaching assistant. And then for half a day a week, it'll be Miss Rennie when I have to go and do my planning. Okay? So I think it'll be quite exciting. It'll be lovely to see you all in September. I can't wait. I'm really excited to see you. So I'm going to set you a little transition activity. I'm going to set you a little activity to do that I'd like you to do at some point before we come back in September. And it will just give me a bit of an idea about what you want to be working towards. It's not a target or goal activity for the near future. It's a target or goal activity for what you'd like to be when you're a grown-up. I've got a sheet here that I've started completing. I'm going to put this on the website so you'll be able to have a good look at it on there. What it is it's what do you want for your future? It's all about what you would like to happen when you're a grown-up. Not necessarily now, not when you're 7 or 8 or 9, but when you're a grown-up, what would you like? I filled in a tiny bit. I filled in this bit up here, which is where would you like to live and why? And my favourite place to live would be a treehouse. So I put that on there because I'd love to live in a treehouse. Fill that one in. Where would you like to live and why? Maybe you'd like to live in a treehouse. Maybe you'd like to live in a palace. Maybe you'd like to live on a houseboat. I don't know. Put something on there. The next box says, what job would you like to do and why? That would be very easy for me to fill in because I'm already doing my fantastic job. Next one, what hobbies and interests would you like to have? Doesn't have to be something that you're good at now. It could be something that you aspire to, something that you would just like to get better at. The next box says, would you like to travel abroad or what special places would you like to visit? Have a think about that one. And the last one says, what qualities, such as kindness or loyalty or bravery, would you like people to see in you? So maybe it's something you already are. Maybe you're already super kind. Maybe you're already super brave. Maybe you're already very good at leaving positive comments on Purple Mash. Whatever the qualities are that you would like people to think about you, write them in there or draw them in there. So this will be on the webpage, and I'd really like you to have a good go at that before September, and then we can use it as one of the activities when we come back in September that we share. Okay? So, Miss Grishty is going to be our TA. We will be in green class. We will be called green class. And I can't wait to see you. Please keep yourself safe. Keep going with your home learning. It will really help you. And I shall speak to you again next week. Okay? Bye.